Got a SL-100DC FP going in today. Didn't have power on the building, so I was getting everything ready while I was having a generator delivered. Got my generator on so I could start working on it. I just worked on all the stuff, the cordless stuff that I could do. So getting the signs up, getting my reflector bracket cut. I started to do that. So I got to brush this, prime it, paint it, and cut it to length. And I was getting my gate operator stand level. So all I have to do is weld that. And then, whoa, hey, I got some of the stuff I need painted. That's just all the trash left over from the gate operator. And starting on that. But now that I got power, I can just go to my normal sequence, which is get the gate operator stand mounted and level, mount the gate operator, and then chain, and then the accessories after that. I had a video the other day where I mounted the photo eye directly to the housing, or exactly to the gate frame, and I'm going to do that again on this one. I'm going to mount it to the gate frame. Since it's not mounted to the guide post or anything, there'll be less vibration, so we don't have to worry about the photo eye moving around or anything like that. I am concerned down there for the reflector, but with the reflector we got a little bit more tolerance than we do the photo eye as far as vibration. So got it started. Be here all day. I was thinking about taking the temperature of this, see how hot it is. Ow. I'm going to take my visual IR thermometer and show you how hot it is. Alright, good with that. Okay, so I'm in the shade, and that's 106.2 in the shade. Concrete's 120. I know it's hard to see, but you just have to take my word for it. I think the contrast is too low, but anyways, it's 120 on the concrete. And then we got these parts, these metal parts sitting out here in the heat. Go to grab a tool, it's 115 degrees. Gate operator housing. (145 degrees, 130 degrees. Now, because each one of those materials have different emissivity, have a different emission rate of how they reflect heat. You know, that's not going to be super accurate. It could be off by 10% or so, but that just gives you an idea of how hot it is out here. I don't know why I'm holding it out there like that, like we can see anything. All right, that's how hot it is in Texas.